So, from this topic, that is natural resources and renewable non-renewable sources, we are going to discuss about the growing energy need and case studies. So, the growing energy need. Energy consumption of a nation is usually considered as an index of its development because almost all the developmental activities are directly or indirectly dependent upon the energy. Power generation, energy consumption are crucial to the economic development, as economy of any nation depends upon the availability of energy resources. There are wide disparities in per capita energy use of develop and the developing nations. With the increased speed of development in the developing nations, energy need are also increasing. The every original form of energy technology probably was the fire, which produces heat, and early man used it for the cooking, heating purposes. Wind and hydropower has also been used. Invention of a steam engineer replaced the burning of a wood by coal, and coal was further replaced by the oil. The oil producing has started twisting arm of the developed as well as the developing countries by dictating the prices of oil on other petroleum products. The energy resources are primarily divided into two categories, viz. Renewable and non-renewable sources. The renewable energy sources must be preferred over a non-renewable energy sources. It is inevitable truth that now there is an urgent need of thinking of a term alternative energy source, which are also the term of non-conventional energy source, which include the solar energy need equipment such as a solar heat collector, solar cell, solar cooker, solar water heater, solar furnace, and the solar power plant. Wind energy, hydropower, tidal energy, ocean thermal energy, geothermal energy, biomass, biogas, biofuel, and etc. The non-renewable energy sources include coal, petroleum, natural gas, and nuclear energy also. Now, the energy scenario. Energy is a key input in the economic growth, and there is a close link between the availability of energy and the future growth of the nation. Power generation and energy consumption are crucial to the economic development. In India, energy is consumed in a variety of forms, such as a fuel wood, animal waste, and agricultural residues are the traditional sources of energy. These non commercial fuel are gradually getting replaced by the commercial fuel, that is, the coal, petroleum product, natural gas, and electricity. Out of the total energy, commercial fuel account for the 60%, whereas a balanced 40% is coming from the non commercial fuel of the total commercial energy produced in the form of power or electricity. 69% energy is appeared from the coal, which is a thermal power, 25% from the hydel power, 4% from the diesel and gas, 2% from the nuclear power, and less than 1% from the non conventional source like solar, wind, ocean, and biomass. So, the petroleum and its product are the other large source of energy in a developing country like India. In spite of enhanced energy production, there is still shortage due to the increased demand of energy. In spite of the fact that there is a phenomenal increase in a power generation capacity, still there is a 30% deficit of about 2000 million units. Policymakers are in a process of formulating an energy policy with the objectives of ensuring adequate energy supply at a minimum cost, achieving self-sufficiency in energy supplies, and protecting environment from the adverse impact of utilizing energy resources in an injudicious manner. The main feature of this policy are the accelerated exploitation of a domestic conventional energy resources, viz. Oil, coal, hydro, and nuclear power. Intensification of exploration to achieve a indigenous production of oil and gas. Efficient management of demand of oil and other forms of energy to formulate the efficient method of energy conservation and management. Optimization of utilization of existing capacity in the countries. Development of and exploitation of renewable sources of energy to meet the energy requirement of rural communities, and organization of training for a personnel engaged at various level in the energy sector. Government private partnership to exploit the natural resources. Now the case study. Importance of energy resources in the present economy and as a base of our future can be underlined by the fact that recent confrontations between the some powerful nations of the world have primarily been attributed driven by the objective to secure their energy supplies. For examples of these have been two Gulf War. It was the hunger of energy resources that drove Iraq to lead to an offensive over Kuwait, and also reason of second Gulf War has been attributed to energy security by defense export. In recent times, world has witnessed as a confrontation at a South China Sea between India, Vietnam, and China over issue of exploring natural gas and petroleum under the seabed. Now, this was all about the growing energy need and the case studies.